Prostar Clevo NH58RDQ 15.6 inches Full HD 144Hz IPS matte display gaming laptop. Review deal discount unboxing setup. I spent a solid month researching laptops under or around $1,500 for schoolwork and gaming with a minimum 6-core CPU, GTX 1060, 120Hz or greater screen, hybrid storage, 16GB RAM, and great reviews. As of now, I am not disappointed with the screen, out-of-the-box build quality. There is no bloat-away reinstalled, and the customer support, as mentioned by others, seems to be authentic and eager to help. I had a question about the RGB keyboard, called their support number. The number came printed with packaging. A friendly human picked up on the first ring, and he helped me resolve the issue within a minute. Obviously the time isn't really important, as other issues may take longer to resolve, but you get my point. There are only two small speakers, and they are very tinny. Very little bass, very little volume. I wasn't concerned with this too much, however, because I will primarily be using headphones, and if I'm not an audiophile. So, some negative reviews mention heating issues. In addition to the laptop's customizable fan speed, I purchased this cooling pad for heat management. Cooler Master Note PAL U3 Plus, gaming laptop cooling pad with 3 movable high-performance fans, black. I have yet to put the laptop under a hefty load, but I don't foresee excessive heat being an issue. While doing preliminary downloads and installs and such, the screen has frozen twice on me. It's odd, and their support is sending me an email shortly about it. I am able to unfreeze it by putting the computer to sleep with the hotkey and then logging back in. Update soon. Having just typed this review, the keyboard flexes very little, like less than 1/4 of a millimeter, and the keys are the proper balance of firm and responsive. Despite being plastic, it seems to be very sturdy overall. I realize this is suggestive, but there aren't any small or large issues with the physical construction. Variations of the Prostar Clevo P955R Prostar Clevo P955R 15.6 inches Full HD 120Hz 3ms 94% NTSC matte display gaming laptop, Intel Core i7-8750H 16GB DDR4, GTX 1070 Max-Q, 250GB SSD, 1TB HDD, Windows 10 Home, 1-year warranty. I very nearly purchased this laptop for $240 more, but neglected to do so as I was confident in the authenticity of the N850F6's 144Hz screen, and I didn't care much about the weight and size advantages provided by the Clevo P955R. I didn't value these things at $240, and I couldn't find other differences that would be adding to the price. I may have just missed them. I tend to do that sort of thing, so I opted for the N850F6. If it seems like I missed anything, find some way to contact me somehow? Ask a question on the products page, I guess. Despite the impossibility of you contacting me, reader, I'm still putting this in so you know I mean my shizzle. I tried to write a review that I would have loved to see during my intense researches, so hopefully I have accomplished this. Sorry for the jumbled thoughts. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.